Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the day 2 of the series Bash script for beginners. In this video, we will try to understand how a Bash script is written. So first of all, I am in my command line. So where I have connected to my EC2, I have created this one. So first I will write as vim hello world .sh. Basically what we are trying to do is, guys, we will try to understand how a bash script is been written. So first of all, what we will write shebang character /bin/bash. So basically it is telling the interpreter to go to the bash shell and execute the commands. So first we will start with echo here. So first, before this, I will comment the script. Basically before the command, if you put hash, that will be considered as comment. It will be not considered as command. So I am writing it as this script prints hello world. So after this I will write echo. Basically echo is used to display text or variables to the terminal, guys. So echo hello world. So basically this is my text. So if I execute this script, it will display this text in the command line. So after doing this, I will save the script. So after saving the script, I will make it executable using chmod +x name of the script. So after this, what I will do, I will run the script. Hello world. So basically the script, what our script was, it was printing hello world. So this is the basic bash script what we can write in our shell. So again we will move with next script. So in this script we will talk about variables. Vim script _ variable .sh. So guys, in this script we will talk about variables. So again we will start with shebang character /bin/bash. So we are executing these commands in the bash shell. So I have discussed in detail about bash in my first video. Please refer that video, guys. So again I am commenting this one. So basically to if someone is reading this script, he should understand what this script is all about. So this is a good practice to comment the script. So again, see here guys, what you can see here is I have written as name is equal to, instead of giving hello Alice, here I have variabilized this thing. So I have given a variable name is equal to Alice. If I give like this, means this will become as variable. So the name is a variable which is Alice. So basically Alice is a variable. I have given that Alice as name, variable name as name. So after this, what I will do, I will try to print that thing. So echo hello $name. So basically I am calling the variable here. So name $name is the variable, the value of the variable is Alice. Like this it goes. So after this, what I will do, I will execute the script. So it is already executable. So again say hello Alice. So instead of giving direct hello Alice, I have variabilized that script. So again we will next in our next script we will try to understand this variable concept in more detail. So again what I will do, I will write here another script. So in this one I will write vim variables. So again I will write, I think variable .2s any. So again I will try to open this one. So here what we can do, guys, instead of before we have declared it as some name as Alice, but here what I will do, I will declare name as first variable. So what is the first variable? It is the command line first variable. Name is equal to, I have given as $1. So what at all, during running the script in the command line, I will be giving that variable there, that will be taken as here as $1. So basically $1 refers to first argument, guys. So I have given as name is equal to $1. So after this, what I will be doing, I will be trying to print this variable using echo. So echo only, echo in double inverted comma hello world. So basically, guys, if you give single quoting, it will try to print as it is. So if I give double quotation, it will fetch the variable. If I give single quote, let's say, I will do with double only now. After that, I can go with making it executable. So after making it executable, guys, I will try to print. So let's say I have not given any argument. So that's why it is taking hello only. Because I have given as first variable there to take, I will write first as some name. So after the name of the script, I will write, let's say Tom. So now it will take as hello Tom. Basically from in the command line itself, we can variabilize those things. We can give the variable. So after Tom, again same with the script set, I am given name Jerry. Let's say it is telling that hello Jerry. Like this we can do. So again, if I, this is the first variable. Let's say after the name of the script, guys, this is the first variable. Again, the next after space, this will be the second argument. Like this, it can go from 1 to 9. So like this, we can give. So again, I will try to write with 2 1. So first argument is the Alice, second argument is the Jerry. So what it will come now? First argument only, because in the script I have given as first argument $1. Now we will try to edit the script now. Again, in this first I have given. Now I will try to give the second argument $2. So in that I have variable, I will be declaring as name2 is equal to $2. So that again I will be printing in the next line. Basically, guys, in the command line itself, you can give the variables instead of giving in the script. From command line itself, you can give in this type of script. Yeah, name2 I have taken referred as name2 $2. So when I will be giving the second one in the command line, that it will be taking. So again, Alice, Jerry. After I run the script, so you can see that hello Alice, hello Jerry. So it has taken $1. This one has taken $2. So like this we can do. So basically, guys, $1, $2. Now we will go with $0. Actually, $0 is nothing but it is name of the script itself. So again, I will try with uh, $2. It will print the name of the script, what and all the name I have given. So again, I will try to give that one script name. Script is equal to, I will give $0. Basically, it is the name of the script. 1 and 2 will the arguments, what and all we are giving from the command lines. 0 will be the name of the script. Again, I will be writing it as echo. The script name is, let's say, the script name is $script. What I have given the name of the variable. So now what it will do, guys? It will try to print the name of the script. So you can see two arguments and the name of the script is variable2.sh. Like this, we can use variables in this format. So in the upcoming lectures, we will try to go in more details by using variables. We will try to build some logic using variables. So again, let's go with the next script. So now what I will be doing. So in this script, I will be trying to take user input. So basically, from we will prompt the user to give the input. So and using that input, we will try to do some logical work. So yeah, again starting with shebang /bin/bash. So after this, as I said, it is a good practice to code the comment. So again, hash this script. So whatever you, how you are trying to like understand, how will try to make understand to others, like that you can write from your own perspective. You can write the comment. So whenever a user is trying to, whenever some other person is trying to read your code, that will be easy for him. So basically, the purpose of this is that one. So echo, I will be trying, what is your name? So basically, I am trying to ask a question to the user that what is your name. So when I run the script, first this line will be printed. So again, now I will use read. So basically, this will read from the user. So instead, and username. So what and all user has will be entering the thing that will be considered as username as variable. So echo. So nice to, I will try to see that nice to meet you username. So I will take this variable itself. So again, what user will print it's his name. So this will try to tell that hello, nice to meet you, the name of the user. Let's say it is Alice. So it will tell that nice to meet you username, like that. So we will run it. First we will make it executable using chmod plus x user input.sh. Now I will try to run this script. So after running the script, it is asking what is your name. Until and unless you don't give anything here, it will be there only. So again, if I give some name, so it will processing with it. It will be processing with it. So it is asking what is your name. So I have given Alice. So now after taking that variable, it will tell that nice to meet you, Alice. So instead, it is using what and all the user has given, that is taking it as a variable. So it is telling that nice to meet you, Alice. There we were giving through command line. Now here it is asking the user to give the name. So here it is taking from the user itself. So what is nice to meet you, Alice, like that it is trying to say. So you can use this as user input. Again, we will try to more like we will try another script with it. So here I have given as vim user input to .sh. So again, guys, today I am taking basics only. In the next videos, we will try to cover in more detail. So again, right, we have taken as I will be taken as read. Here only I will be taking read hyphen p. So instead, like I will be prompting the user. So this is the other way to take the user input. So I will be doing it read hyphen p plus please enter your name. So like this also we can do take. So after this, what and all user will be written after this, writing after this, I can take it as variable username. So now it username has I have declared as variable. So echo. So nice to meet you. Same I will be trying to do it. Nice to meet you. I will be trying to take this variable. So suppose a user has written Tom. Please enter your name. So user has written Tom. So it will try to print Tom. So let us try to execute this script. So now again we will make it executable. After this, I will try to run the script. Sorry, yeah. Now it is I will try to user input execute this one. So now as you can see, it is asking you please enter your name. So same there is also it was like that now here. So little bit difference here. Okay, please enter your name. So again, if I write Alice, so it will tell that nice to meet you, Alice. Sorry, like this. So these are the basic scripts like taking user input and printing it. And like first one was very basic, second one was using variables. Like this, I have taken this. Thank you guys. That's all for today's video. We will try to cover more details in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please go